Hey guys, thanks for joining in. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I keep my traction boards and a little bit of a modification that I'm doing onto the storage area. I am actually using these GoTreads. I've been using these for quite a while. I love them. They're not only compact and they fit in a smaller space than other traction boards. They're also very strong, and I also like them because I can level out my vehicle when I use my rooftop tent. So if I want to level them out, I just roll my vehicle over this and it helps keep things balanced, and I will sleep better at night. So I'll put a more detailed video when I actually get out on a trail and use these and show you guys. But first things first, I want to show you guys what I'm going to be doing and where I keep my traction boards. So this is a OEM audio subwoofer on my 5th gen 4Runner. It fits nice and snug on top of the wheel well. And I usually like to keep the traction boards on top of this, so I'll show you guys how I do this. And I usually just have like a bungee cord. There you go. It's easy access, it's nice and flush, it doesn't take up a lot of room. Now the little modification that I'm going to be doing today is actually to prevent any damage to the subwoofer box. As you know, these are meant to get dirty, and this is a nice subwoofer box, so I want to protect this as much as I can. So I have some leftover vinyl wrap from 3M that I'll be using. This is black satin, and I'm going to pretty much be laying this on top of here to protect the subwoofer from any scratches. Now let's get started. I'm gonna move the enclosure out so I have some space to work. So you clean the surface area very well. And this is knifeless tape. I've used this on my wrap before, and I really like this. I think it comes in really handy, and it gives you a nice professional look even when you're not a professional. So what I'll be doing is laying down the knifeless tape. I'm just gonna choose a corner that I like, so I'm gonna choose this one since it's the furthest down. It'll give me the most coverage. Use a little squeegee. Okay, now that I've had everything masked off, I will go ahead and apply the wrap. I'm just going to be moving this up. Perfect. Okay, now time to use the knifeless tape. Since I taped the tape down on the short side, so that's the side I'm going to be pulling first. back into position. Give you guys a better look. And there you go. That's how I mount my GoTreads to save room in my storage system. And I'm really liking the way it turned out so far. Hope this protects the subwoofer. All right, so I hope you guys found this video useful. If you guys have any questions in regards to this process, let me know. And let me know what you guys think of this idea.